In this video, we are going to learn about Regulating Act of 1773. This was the first act which tried to regulate the affair of British East India Company after the Battle of Buxar. After the Battle of Buxar, the British East India Company became a significant power in India, and this was the reason that the Regulation Act of 1773 was passed to control or regulate the affair of the British East India Company. If you talk about important feature of this act, it designated the Governor General of Bengal to General of India. It designated the Governor General of Bengal as a Governor General of India, and Warren Hastings was designated as the first Governor General of India. So there is a misprint too, if because it uh, in place of two there should be as, so it should be it designated the Governor General of Bengal as a Governor General of India, and Warren Hastings became the first Governor General of India. After this act, the government of Bombay Madras Presidency became the subordinate to Governor General of Bengal. Earlier, before this act, the three presidencies were functioning independently. This act also established the Supreme Court of Calcutta with Chief Justice and three other judges. Sir Elia MP became the first Chief Justice of the Calcutta Supreme Court. This act prohibited the private trade by the company servant, and it also prohibited company servant from accepting any bribe or presents from the natives. So it was very much important if you talk about taking bribes, because there was issue before this act, and there was accusation that the company servants were taking bribes and are involving in the private trades. This act also controls the also strengthened the control of the government over the company. Now we are going to learn what are the reasons for passing this act. Before the passing the regulating act, the East India Company was in a financial crisis, and even the company asked for the financial aid from the British government in 1772. There was an accusation that the government officials were involving in corruption and nepotism. During that period also there was a famine in Bengal, which caused the death of a huge population, and simultaneously there was a lawlessness in the Bengal. The defeat of company against Masoor's Hyder Ali was also one of the reason. These were the contributory factor in passing this act. Thank you.